Hello, my name is Claire. I want to adopt a pet today.
Hello, Claire. I am Tom. Welcome to our animal shelter.
Is a very big place. Do you have many animals here?
Yes, we have 20 dogs and 15 cats. They are all very nice.
I live in a small apartment. I think a dog is better for me.
Small apartments are good for small dogs. Do you like big dogs too?
I like big dogs, but I don't have a garden. Small dogs are easier.
That is true. Small dogs don't need a lot of space to run.
Do you have a dog that is quiet? I work from home every day.
Yes, we have some very calm dogs. They like to sleep a lot.
That is perfect for me. I need a quiet friend for my work.
Do you want a young puppy or an older dog?
I think an older dog is better. Puppies have too much energy for me.
Older dogs are very thankful. They usually know how to walk on a leash.
Can I see the dogs now? I am very excited to meet them.
Of course. Please follow me to the dog area.
Is it noisy in the dog area? I hear some barking.
It is a little noisy now because it is lunchtime.
What do the dogs eat? Do they eat meat or vegetables?
They eat special dog food. It has meat, vitamins, and minerals.
I want to buy good food for my new dog. Is it expensive?
Good food is important for health. It is not very expensive.
How many times a day do they eat? 2 or 3 times?
Most dogs eat 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night.
That is easy to remember. I eat at the same time.
You can eat breakfast together. It is a nice routine.
I see a small brown dog over there.
That is Buddy. He is 5 years old.
He has very kind eyes. Can I meet him?
Yes, let's take Buddy to the playroom. This is the playroom. It is a quiet place for meetings.
Hello, Buddy. You are a very beautiful dog.
Buddy is very friendly. He likes new people a lot.
Can I give him a treat? I have some in my bag.
Yes, but only one. He is on a small diet now.
Buddy, sit. Oh, look, he knows how to sit.
Yes, he is a very smart dog. He knows sit and stay.
His fur is very soft. Does he need a lot of washing?
You should wash him once a month. Brushing is also good.
I can brush him every weekend. It is a relaxing activity.
Buddy likes brushing very much. He often falls asleep.
Is he healthy? Does he have any problems?
He is very healthy. Our doctor checks him every month.
That is good to know. I want a healthy dog.
Buddy also has all his vaccinations. He is ready to go home.
Does he like to play with toys? I see a ball on the floor.
He loves tennis balls. He can play for 20 minutes.
I can take him to the park near my house. It has a dog area.
Buddy likes the park. He is very social with other dogs.
That is perfect. My friend has a dog too.
They can play together on the weekends. It is good for Buddy.
Buddy is very calm now. He is sitting near my feet.
He likes you, Claire. I think he is very happy.
I like him too. He feels like the right dog for me.
Do you want to try to walk him on a leash?
Yes, please. I want to see how he walks.
Here is the leash. It is a very strong one.
Come on, Buddy. Let's walk together in the room.
He walks very slowly. He is not pulling the leash.
This is great. I don't like it when dogs pull. Buddy is a great walker. What else does he need?
He needs a warm bed and 2 bowls, one for water and one for food.
I have a small bed at home. My old cat used it.
That is good, but Buddy needs a fresh blanket too.
I can buy a blue blanket. Blue is a nice color for him.
Does he need a collar with his name on it?
Yes, I want a collar with my phone number too.
That is very important. If he is lost, people can call you.
I will buy a red collar today. It looks good on brown fur.
We have a small shop here in the shelter. You can see the collars there.
That is very convenient. What about a leash?
I can give you this leash for free. It is a gift from the shelter.
Thank you, Tom. That is very kind of you.
We want Buddy to be happy in his new home.
Does he need any medicine or vitamins every day?
No, he just needs good food and fresh water.
How much water does a small dog drink?
They drink about half a liter a day. Always check the bowl.
I will change the water every morning and every evening.
That is perfect. Fresh water is very important for dogs.
What about the food? Should I buy the same food as here?
Yes, start with the same food, then he doesn't have a stomachache.
I will buy a big bag of this food today.
A big bag is enough for 1 month for a small dog.
Is Buddy afraid of cars or loud noises?
He is a little afraid of loud motorcycles, but cars are okay.
My street is very quiet. There are no motorcycles there.
That is excellent for him. He will feel very safe.
I am ready to take him home. What is the next step?
We need to go to the office and sign some papers. Please sit here, Claire. I have the adoption form.
There are many questions. Is it difficult to fill out?
No, it is simple. We need your name, address, and phone number.
I have my ID card here. Can you copy the information?
Yes, I can do that. It is faster for us.
Do I need to pay an adoption fee today?
Yes, the fee is $50. It is for Buddy's doctor and food.
That is a very small price for a new best friend.
The money helps other animals in our shelter too.
I am happy to help. Can I pay with my card?
Yes, we have a card machine on the desk.
The payment is successful. Here is the receipt.
Thank you. Now, please sign your name at the bottom.
I am signing it now. Claire Miller.
Now, Buddy is officially your dog. Congratulations.
I am so happy. I want to take a photo of Buddy.
We can take a photo together for our Facebook page.
That is a lovely idea. I want people to see Buddy.
Wait, I need to give you his medical book.
Does it have the dates of his vaccinations?
Yes, everything is inside. You must show it to your vet.
I have a good vet near my house. I will call him tomorrow.
Perfect. It is good to have a checkup in the first week.
Should I come back here for more food later?
You can buy food here or at any pet shop in the city.
I think I will come here. I like to visit the shelter.
You are always welcome. Maybe you can be a volunteer too.
I would love to. I can come on Saturdays.
That is great. We always need help with walking the dogs.
Now let's go and get Buddy's things.
Here is our small shop. Look at all the bowls.
I like the green bowl. It is a very bright color.
The green one is made of ceramic. It is easy to clean.
I will take the green bowl and the red color.
Do you need a brush for his fur? We have some here.
Yes, please. I need a soft brush for Buddy.
This brush is perfect for his type of fur. It is very gentle.
I also need some toys. Do you have a small ball?
We have many balls. Here's a yellow one. It floats in water.
Buddy will like it. He can play in the park.
Do you need a dog bed today? We have 3 sizes.
I have a bed, but I want a new soft blanket.
We have blue, gray, and brown blankets.
I will take the blue one. It is very soft and warm.
Is that everything for today? You have a lot of things.
I think I also need some dog shampoo.
Here is a shampoo for sensitive skin. It smells like honey.
Honey is a nice smell. Buddy will be a clean dog.
Here is your food, the bowl, and the toys.
Thank you. How much is the total for the shopping?
The total is $40. I will give you a small discount.
That is very kind. Why am I getting a discount?
Because you adopted Buddy today. It is our special offer.
Thank you, Tom. You are very helpful.
It is my job to make adoption easy and happy.
I am a bit nervous about the first night.
Buddy will be a bit nervous too. Just be quiet and kind.
I will put his bed near my bed. Is that okay?
Yes, he will feel safe if he is near you.
I am ready to go. Buddy is waiting at the door. Buddy looks very happy with his new red color.
It looks very stylish on him. He is a handsome dog.
Do you have my phone number if you have questions?
Yes, I have it in the form. I will call you in 3 days.
Why will you call me in 3 days?
Just to check if Buddy is okay and if you are happy.
That is very professional. I like this shelter a lot.
We care about our animals even after they leave.
Buddy, are you ready to see your new home?
He is wagging his tail. That means yes in dog language.
I have my car outside. It is a small white car.
Do you have a seatbelt for the dog?
No, I don't. Is it necessary for a small dog?
Yes, it is safer. You can put him in a transport box.
I have a box in the back of my car. I used it for my cat.
That is perfect. Put a blanket inside the box.
Buddy is jumping into the box. He is very fast.
He likes cars. He thinks it is an adventure.
I will drive very slowly today. It is his first trip with me.
Good idea. We don't want him to be sick.
Thank you for all your help today, Tom.
You are welcome, Claire. You are a great person.
I will send you a photo of Buddy in his new bed.
I would love to see that. Our team will be happy too.
Goodbye, Tom. See you on Saturday for volunteering.
Goodbye, Claire. Enjoy your time with Buddy.